Okay, guys, it's weigh-in time.
Body weight is 257.8 pounds.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Demetra and you're watching Discovering Demi. Now on my channel, I document my weight loss journey. And if you're interested in weight loss related content, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video to my channel. So today I'm here with a weigh-in update. And you saw at the beginning of this video that I weighed in at, I'm sorry, I had to write it down, 257.8 pounds. My last weigh-in, man, time gets away from you. My last weigh-in was 6 weeks ago, and I weighed in then at 252.6 pounds. So in 6 weeks, I gained 5.2 pounds. And I knew I had gained weight. I am a bit of a, no, not a bit. I'm a perfectionist and really hard on myself. So because I knew that I was struggling with some emotional eating, like every week that would put me off with wanting to do a weigh-in because I already knew what the scale was going to say, and I was embarrassed and ashamed, and I just really, struggled with it. But I'm like, okay, so you put yourself out there for accountability. Nobody is expecting you to be perfect but yourself. So I am getting myself back on track, and part of that is to weigh in, whether it be a loss or a gain. So here it is. Here it is. I have gained 5.2 pounds in the last 6 weeks. I have not been tracking properly. I have been binge eating. I have been emotionally eating, and in a pretty dark place here lately. And I've been I don't know, I can't quite put it into words. Anyway, guys, if you hear like music in the background, my husband is upstairs practicing his keyboard. So that's what you're hearing. So guys, this video is probably really going to be all over the place because I have so much that I want to share, and I probably won't get it. I know I won't get it all into this video, but first of all, I did a thing. I had asked you guys before about should I color my hair. The grays were, I had about this much or so gray, and I was trying to decide whether or not I should color it, and I did. I decided to, and I also combined my locks. So they are bigger than what they were, and I like them. I'm happy that I combined them. I wasn't sure whether I wanted to or not. I kept going back and forth, so I did it, and I love it. So I wanted to share my week with you all. I went on a 5K, which I did vlog some of that and uploaded. So if you haven't checked out that video, it's a virtual 5K, and we had a lot of fun. We did it at our mall nearby, so check out that video. I will post that in the description box if you want to get some more information on a virtual 5K and do it yourself with some of your friends or family or by yourself. It was fun. I have met some really, really amazing people on or through my channel. And I met a woman, I won't say her name because I haven't asked her yet if I could, but she is a subscriber, and she had offered to do a reading for me after watching one of my videos where I shared that I had lost my son Jalen. And she did that for me, and whew, wow. So I'm trying not to cry. I'm trying not to cry. Okay, so I'm just going. So Jalen passed away in 2014. 2014. It will be 7 years. November of this year that he's been gone, and it's really heavy. A really heavy feeling and void in my life that I really bottle up and suppress everything that I feel about his passing. So the reading that she did for me was like, she took us tarot cards and delivered messages from heaven for me. And along the lines of that, she also told me messages that Jalen was giving to me. And this is not the first time I've had a reading. I've seen a medium many times over the years, in the past, before and after Jalen passed away. And when I tell you, this lady lives in Canada. She didn't know me from Adam. I hadn't shared details about Jalen's passing or even information about my other readings before in the past. And the things that this spiritually gifted woman shared with me are things that I was told by another medium in the past, and it were just tapped into my emotions that I have suppressed over the years. And that was a traumatic experience for me. And although it's been 7 years, I haven't really dealt with it. And his birthday is in May. And I'm sorry. Yeah, so his birthday is in May, and he would have been 27 years old in May. I also lost a daughter by my first husband. She was stillborn, and her name is Jaden. And I don't think I've ever really talked about her, but I'm trying to start to open up about some of this stuff because, like, I know that your mental health is very important. And I've just really been going through the motions for a very, 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 very long time. And not really dealing with anything. Like, yeah, I've been in therapy through the years, but I'm always, like, there's always something else going on in my life that keeps me from, even when I'm in therapy, dealing with the trauma that I've been through. So even in therapy, I never really addressed those issues. I just suppress them. And I think I've suppressed it so much that it's just slowly coming out because I've done it for so long. Like, I don't know. I'm not currently in therapy. I am just on medication. I haven't been journaling, so I haven't been getting anything out. So I guess this is me doing that. So Jaden, like, I always wanted a daughter, right? And I got pregnant in 2005 by my first husband. And we were 20 weeks pregnant. Yeah. It's too much. It's too much. So her birthday is April 13th. It'll be for another video. I do need to get this out, but like, it's just too much for everything right now. I do want to share with you guys, I have 3 children. One of them is living. He is 10 years old. Javon is my saving grace. And I have 2 children in heaven, Jalen and Jaden. And maybe it's because it's getting close to their birthdays that I am seemingly falling apart. Or what? Like, I don't know. I really don't know. But I just needed to get this off of my chest. To let you guys know that I'm not in a good place right now. But I'm trying to bounce back. And just give myself some grace. That's what I tell people, to give themselves some grace. And like, I don't even really know how to do that myself, right? Excuse me. So Jaden would have been 16 on her birthday, April 13th. And yeah, so I have 2 boys and a girl. Yeah, so guys, I try to pull myself together because I felt like I was just a blubbering mess. So it is my intentions to do some story times dedicated to my children, to share my story and some of the trauma that I've been through, so that I can try to help other people and myself. But today is not a good day because I'm just all over the place. And so yeah, I want to do some story times to tell you guys about my children. Javon, to tell you a little bit about him, he has his own YouTube channel. Little Javon, the link is always in the description box. And he's very private. So some things I want to share with him, but I really need to get his okay first. So, or share about him, but I need to get his permission first because he's private. He's a very private person, and he'll be like, "Why'd you tell my business?" He's 10 going on like 20. So anyway, I'm going to do some story times. I want to share more of my life with you guys. I am going to pull myself together, and I really needed this release. So thank you guys for allowing me to do this on my platform and for watching. I'm going to come back with a video after I get my thoughts on myself and my plan and everything together, sharing with you guys how I'm going to get back on track, so that you know, if you get off track, how to get back on track. So this was just kind of like my reset. I'm hitting the reset button. I needed to unload, I guess. Wasn't my plan, but that's what happened here. So I want to share this shirt. I've shared it before in another video, but if you haven't seen it, then you would not have seen the shirt. So this says KCU, Kentucky Christian University. I live in Kentucky. This belonged to Jalen, and he played football, college football at Kentucky Christian University. After he graduated high school. So I just feel like he's hugging me when I wear this shirt. So I just wanted to wear it for this video. And also, I have this. I've been holding it the whole time that I've been filming. This is a blanket. Is huge, so I can't show you all of it at one time right now, but I will some other time. This is a blanket that I had made out of Jalen's shirts. I chose shirts that were very special to me. It had meaning, and also shirts that I have pictures of him in, so I have a memory to connect with each shirt that I had put on this blanket. I had a company make this for me. The name of that company is Project Repat. I will also put the link to their website in the description box in case you want to look into having something like that made. People do it, if their kids play sports, or, for loved ones who have passed away. Just so many reasons, whatever you want to do. If you want shirts made into a blanket, this is an amazing company. They have amazing work. But yeah, so these are all different shirts of Jalen's. I got it folded up. So like from his job, shirts that he's wore, some shirts from church. Yeah, I don't know how much of this you can see because I'm behind it, of course. There's another KCU football. He's a big Dallas Cowboys fan, so there is what from one of his Dallas Cowboy shirts, like. So yeah, I'll show during my story time for Jalen. I will give you a better look at this shirt. So if you are still with me, I thank you for your time. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video to my channel. And I just thank you guys, and keep me in your thoughts and prayers. I'll keep you guys in mind. And until next time, be blessed, guys.